Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we're gonna build a stereo radio using a TEA5767 radio module. So let's get started. Okay, so let's see how to connect the radio module to the Arduino. So this thing communicates over I2C. So the first pin of the radio module is the SDA, and the second pin of the radio module is the SCL. The third pin is the ground, and the fourth pin is not needed. So let's get into the fifth pin, which is a VCC pin, and it's connecting to the 3.3 volts of the Arduino right here. The sixth pin is a ground as well, and the seventh and eighth pin are speakers left and right channel, and the ninth pin is not needed. The 10th pin is a antenna pin, so make sure you have at least 1 meter length of wire connected to the antenna pin. Okay guys, so this is my old computer speaker, and I'm going to use this for the output of the radio. I have cut the audio input jack and soldered these 3 wires. So the yellow wire is for the left channel, the black is for the ground, and the red is for the right channel. So I'm going to connect these wires to the radio. Okay, so let's connect the ground of the speaker to the 6th pin of the radio module, which is the ground, and the 7th pin is the right channel. So I'm gonna hook the red wire to the 7th pin of the radio module, just like that. Now the 8th pin is the left channel, so I'm gonna hook the yellow wire on the 8th pin of the radio module. That's it. So now we can hear the sound from this speaker. Okay, so let's get into the software part of this video. So this is a library for this radio module written by Simon Monk. So just click on this link and a zip file will be downloaded. Right click on that zip file and click extract here. Now go ahead and fire up the Arduino IDE. Click on sketch, import library, add library, and click on desktop. Click on the folder that has been extracted and hit open. So that will add the library. Now click on file, example, then we have the TEA5767 radio and the example that we're going to write to this Arduino. So the first line includes the wire library, and the second line includes the TEA5767 radio module library. And now we are defining an object for this library as radio. So let's get into the setup. First we begin the wire library, and then we set the frequency of this object as 93.0. This is where you have to mention your local frequency for it to work. So let's just upload this code to the Arduino, selecting the COM port, and now we can go ahead and click on upload. So now I'm going to turn on the speaker, and sure enough it is working. So that's about it for this video, and if you enjoy watching this video, leaving a like will be greatly appreciated, and if you have any question, comment them out. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.